In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cash App card on PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to use your Cash App card on PayPal is to make sure that your PayPal account is properly set up and that your Cash App card is also set up through the Cash App and properly validated with enough balance. All that you have to do afterwards to use it alongside PayPal is to open the latest version of the PayPal mobile app on any device or do this process through the PayPal website. In there, go into your wallet and you will find the option to link a card. Usually on the app, it is going to be listed at the top, link a card manually. So tap the option to link a debit or credit card and immediately you can input the details about your Cash App card. So the details are as follow: the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, alongside the full name printed on the card. By inputting all of these details about the Cash App card, it should be properly linked. PayPal is going to do a verification on the card, and if it is eligible, it is going to appear under your wallet after you include the billing address. With everything set up, like I mentioned, the card should automatically appear on your wallet ready to use alongside PayPal. Now, while you can try to use this card to deposit money into your PayPal account, the primary function of it is going to be to use PayPal to manage any payments. So when you proceed to checkout and you select PayPal, you will have the option to use this card as the source of the payment, with the balance taken straight from your Cash App account. But keep in mind that as long as it is linked here, you will have access to this Cash App card integrated with any PayPal functionalities. Just make sure that the card is properly set up, that it is under your wallet, and that you have enough balance for any future transactions. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Cash App card on PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.